Hey guys, it's Olivia and Renee and Brooklyn, and today we are putting raw rice in my slime, and it's basically like a test. So, yeah. So I'm going to put you guys up on here. So I'm gonna get up to the counter, turn the camera around. So, move this. Okay, so we're gonna be putting raw rice in the slime. So this is the rice. This is the slime. 1 minute, guys. Just get it back onto the counter so I can see. Watch out, Renee. Okay. So this is the slime. It's really clicky and nice, but it's super small. It's the only problem I have with it. It actually is super stretchy. It makes really nice bubbles. Sometimes it might be too stretchy to make bubbles, but it's still really nice. And and so this is I think I forgot. Yeah, I forgot the name that I named it. But anyways, it's super stretchy. I'm not really excited to get rid of it, but I'm sad to get rid of it because I'm going to put raw rice in it. And so yeah, and if it does get sticky, I have some borax in my room, which Renee or Brooklyn will come and help me go grab while I'm recording here. So this is the slime, like I already told you. So let me just get this piece out of whatever that is. So it's really nice. So now we're going to put it in the bowl of rice. That's a lot of rice for this one little slime. So I think I'm going to put a little bit in its container. Maybe like that much, right? We're going to put like that much to start off with. So you get it ready, guys?
Yep.
And I can always make another one of these slimes because my mom still has to buy me glue because I cleaned her kitchen. So I'm going to put it in. And if it does get sticky, we do have some like borax. I'm liking it so far. I'm not liking it as much as it was when it was normal. Let me just get my back comfortable. Feels like it's broken right now. Let's put you guys on it. Okay, I'm gonna put some more. That. Boy, that wasn't too much. Alright guys, we have some borax to the side if we need some borax, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's super
It looks
bubbly.
like the same slime, but
It's actually really nice. Touch it, guys.
feels like corned beef.
How was it so sticky to you, Brooklyn? It was.
Like that's sticky.
Move your hand. So, let's put some more in it. I like it. I'm liking it a little bit better. Okay. This is it. And I think I'm going to stop putting rice in it. It's getting heavy. Like it's getting heavy. Feels super cold though. I'm going to put probably the rest in there. There's only that much left anyways. Put that back into the drawer. There's literally nothing in it, so. No, like in the drawer. In the drawer. Drawer. Where? Drawer. What drawer? Drawer. Let me mix it. Sorry, did I scratch it? Sorry. It actually feels super cool, guys. We did put rice in our other slime, remember? Yeah. And it was what color was it again? It was
brown.
like it was like greenish.
Soldier.
It was like greenish brown.
Like the soldier color.
Yeah. And it's really nice. And our last slime that had raw rice in it, it was super cool. And we were pretending it like it was poop.
And did we make a video?
No, we didn't make a video. Because I didn't have the YouTube channel back then. But we were showing my dad. Okay, so it's super cool. I can't even explain. Sorry. I stretched it and it went in Brooklyn's face.
Oh, the rice went in my face. Why is it white?
Because the rice is white.
It looks kind of see-through though. Oh my god. It feels super cool.
Isn't it cool, guys? So now we're going to do some poopy actions.
Poopy
Ew.
actions.
No, not yet.
Not
Don't
yet.
take it down.
No poopy actions
Give
yet.
it. Let's put it in the container.
No poopy actions.
In the container.
No poopy actions.
Okay, guys, so it's not really closing. Okay. So now that we're done putting the rice in there, we are going to go do some poopy actions. Shut the cupboard. And then after we're gonna eat. 'Cause I'm very hungry.
Yeah, I'm really hungry because I looked at those bananas.
Okay. So we're gonna do it like on the hard ground, so we don't need to get on my carpet. So I'm gonna put you guys on the table. No. Okay, so.
I'm gonna boil one of your pins because this one's not working.
Okay, so and then after maybe this video, after it uploads, we will probably be doing hoverboard things.
What's this tiny thing for?
Oh, I don't know. So this is the slime.
The hamster bottle. That won't fit the hamster.
It's for the
Its
rats.
arms like going.
It's for the rats.
Ew.
Okay, so
It's just not.
okay, let's go. This is a poopy action.
Where are the rats?
Ah, poopy action. Oh, it's stringy. What actually smells like poo? Something smells like poo. So this is the afterlife.
Is that poo over there?
It's purple. It's purple poo. No, it's not poo. It's purple.
No. Oh, that's just a string. But what actually smells like poo? Probably rocks.
Probably.
Maybe she cooks in the bedroom.
Okay, so what's up, guys? So I'm gonna do one more poopy action, then it's your turn.
Yeah.
Ew! Ew! It's still like stringy, guys. Ew!
Ew! Ew! Why are you touching your own food?
Why is Burton looking at my butt?
Because I'm trying to see how you're pushing it down. Ew! There's like a little.
Ew! 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 Okay, now it's Renee's and Brooklyn's turn.
Renee can go first.
So, okay, so just. Oh! Wait, I want to do one more. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more. Watch out.
One more poopy action. For Olivia. Poopy action. Ew.
That was loud. That was not real loud.
I picked up the food.
Stop.
Oh, string. My turn. Oh. My turn. Brooklyn's turn. I actually need fire. Put raras in the oslo. I picked up her blue. Ew! Oh, it looks like real because it looked like this.
It actually looks brown.
It does in camera. Oh!
Oh!
Stop pooping, Brooklyn.
Ew! She's pooping on the ground.
We gotta clean it up. Ew! You're cleaning up poo. Can't stop. Ew! Ew! Okay, so that was the end of the video. And yeah, get over here. Oh, okay. So that was the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed. So yeah, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what other videos you want to see. Bye, love you guys. Bye. Oh my God! Wow, I covered it with a sock this time.